Hey, if you are using your Nokia 105 from 2023 and your phone is actually unresponsive, it's like frozen screen, frozen keyboard, I can recommend you to force restart. So you have to locate this cutout on the right side. I'm gonna show you a little bit closer. There it is. So you have to use your fingernail and gently lift this cover. From here, you will have to remove the battery. Also use this cutout, so use your fingernail, for example, or any other thin item that you can actually lift this battery. And now your phone will be turned off. So you can wait for like 10 seconds. And after this, just put back this battery. There we go. Put back also the cover. And now power on your Nokia by holding this button. And that's all. Right now you can tell me if it works. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.